Alright guys, part 2. So maybe you can see the C. Joel Herbert's Rustrophy a lot better. Okay, so there's that right there. And just in case you want to see the inner part of the knife, if we can actually get a good look at it. And let's look at that green on the brass. So again, this is a real German lever lock. One of my pride and joys. Okay, now we move on to the GOM. Now this blade does look a lot like a Rubens name brand blade. But this one says GOM. So I don't know what that stands for. I have tried looking it up, but not too much information has popped up. But it says inox, so it has to be something like Russian. I'm sorry, German or Italian. Some way of saying stainless steel. So there you go, Leverletto by Bill D. Shivs. And right there you can see AKC Italy. And then we're going to turn it around. And again, there's no fake D2 tool steel or China or anything like that. And again, this does have the mirror polish, the bayonet blade, the nickel bolsters, the staghorn. Just try and focus on the inside here. One piece, what is it? One piece spring, which is another thing. China would have a double spring, such as okay, this is the, what is it, the spine, and the spring on the Leverletto is all one piece. Okay, that's what I mean by one spring. It's all one piece. The fake one, which would be the Chinese right here, China. Okay, this one, the spine is one piece, and then the spring, if you can see on the inside, is a second piece. So there you go. But still beautiful. I do respect this one a whole lot more because again, it's not trying to rip off the real Bill D. Shivs, sorry. Okay, so let's look at this one a little bit more. The paint obviously is not in great shape, but I just did it on a whim. Just, you know, I was bored and I was like, I'm gonna put red on it. That'll look cool. Okay, now we move on to the 1980s vintage Taiwan 440 stainless Taiwan. There you can see the brass liners. Very, very nice. And the scales are not cracked or broken. Most of these you will find that where the pins are, it will be cracked. I'm gonna say like I don't know, probably 75%, maybe 85% all the time on any of these, they will have cracks on them. And this one, as you can clearly see, there are no cracks. Let's look on the inside here. Okay. Now my other favorite right here. 440 Stalin. So, sorry about that, guys. You can see that. I mean, what more proof do you want? Right there, perfect, done. German right there. A German switchblade. Flip it around. And again, it's from the vintage 1980s. You can tell right there. And you can see no cracks on the acrylic plastic handles. Or, you know, again, scales. Shining the light this way, people cannot say, oh well, you know, you're not showing it right or whatever. On the inside, yeah, there is space, as you can clearly see right here, but it's a-okay. It is what it is. Too bad. And right here, AKC Italy. Turn it around. No China, no nothing, no D2 tool steel or anything of that nature. Let's look on the inside. Okay, let's look at the white one here. AKC Italy. Alright, let's look at the Chinese. The Italian Milano. Switch it around. China! With brass liners. Beautiful blade. I love the camouflage on the scales. The inside. And last but not least, the rosewood handle scales. Brass liners. This is the 12 plus, probably 13 inch. Made in Italy, stainless steel, AKC. No D2 tool steel or China marked. And there's your dagger blade style. And just in case you are wondering if this one is sharp or not, just for the heck of it, yes, it is sharp. So yes, it is. Alright guys, well, that's about it for these 2-part videos. The next part, or the next video I should say, will focus on other 1980s pocket knives. Alright guys, take care. Bye.